Hello guys, my name is Ron Capua. I'm the president and owner of F Mobile, the friendship F Mobile in the world. Alright, I'm the only one owner. Okay? I just wanna give you a tips how to succeed in this kind of business. Okay? Of course, number one, you must join right away. Right? Okay? Don't join next week, don't join next month. Join right now. Because if you want to become successful and if you want to achieve your dreams, you just act now. You just join now and do the business right away. And the good news here is this business is very easy. Very easy to do compared to other opportunity. All right, so join and then recruit people, and then if you can buy more heads account, good for you, because the more heads that you have, the more income that you can generate every day. Because if you have one account earning every day, and if you have second, third account that earnings every day, so that would be more advantages from you. All right, that's the tip for today. My name is Ron Cap. I'm here now in the hospital. I'm going to pick up my wife. My wife is director of nursing in the hospital, and she worked, she's been in registered nurse for almost 15 years here in America. All right, so welcome, join now, act now. Bye.